uh, see, generating scripts for deployment. Okay, so that means uh, we have a requirement, and we have done the work on that requirement. Okay, that means in developing point of view on database. Okay, so that means in terms of for that requirements, we may create a table, we may alter the table, or we can create the triggers, alter the triggers, or we may insert master data into master tables. Okay, we may create the indexes on tables, or creating functions, altering functions, create procedures, alter procedures. So these kind of development we have done for that requirement. Okay, so a minute. We may do the all these tasks related to that requirement. Okay, after doing that work, we have to create script. I mean, we have to generate the script and move to higher environments. Okay, in that cases, what are the basic requirements we have to follow? Basic rules we have to follow. First of all, any tables are created from last release to present release. Okay, so release in a sense, see, assume that July 1st 2024. Okay, so we got one new project. Okay, and they said that uh, do some basic features, develop these basic features and release and give the demo on just like July 15. Okay, what we will do, we will work on according to the requirement. I mean, in database point of view, first of all, create the database and create the tables and create the procedures or any kind of database objects. We will create that according to the requirement. Okay, after completion of that development, we will the script and we will move that script to higher environment. Okay, in that higher environment also we will create the database and we will execute that scripts. Okay, so while moving that scripts, what are the rules and regulations we have to follow? That thing we will discuss on today. Okay, after July 15th, that scripts are moved perfectly and tested, and they gave the report like all is well. So again, client will give one more requirement. So he will tell like July 31st, 2024, you have to you have to generate these scripts and move to higher environments. Okay. Between July 15 to 31st, you will work on that requirement, and again we have to generate the scripts. Okay, at this point of view, first of all, what are the tables are created? Okay, recently, and what are the tables are recently? We have to check it. Okay, how can we check? Simply select star from sys.tables. So here we come to know. So after July 15th, how many tables are created? Like created create date greater than or equal to 2024 07 15. These tables are created after July 15th. Okay, how many tables are altered? Altered means same table. So here modified. Modify. These are the tables are modified after July 15th. Okay. So and next, what are the triggers are created? So triggers means you can go for sys dot triggers. Okay. Same thing alter. Okay. And master data. What are the tables are what so in which tables we have inserted the data into tables. Okay, so what are the tables are involved in master data? Okay, so that thing, by using default constraint on created date column, we can easily find out so what are the records are inserted after the July 15th. Okay, and index script. So we have to generate the index script also based on the indexed columns. Okay, so I have already given that all these queries on previous session. And create functions. What are the functions are created and altered after July 15? Similarly, procedures also. Okay, so now how to generate the script for a particular database objects. For example, see here I want to generate the create table script for table 1, 2, 3 and test. See, right click on database task, and here you can find out generate script and click on next, and here specific project comes then like July 1st 2024. On this date we got new project and we have developed something and we have to release on July 15 2024 first release. So at that time you can select script entire database and all database objects. Why? Because for this release we have to move all database objects. Okay, then click on this and open query window and click on advanced. Suppose check for object existence. So this will give if else condition objects. So you can make it as true and convert continue, right? Make it as true. If any error comes, continue. It will continue the scripting and convert base types. So make it as true and generating. So here type of data to script. So here we have three options. If data only, then this will generate the insert queries for the particular table. If you select schema only means it will generate the table structure. If you select schema and data, then it will generate the table structure along with insert queries for data. And indexes true, triggers. So if you select triggers true, it will generate the script for triggers also. And here dependency. Okay, click on next. So it is taking time. Why? Because here some transaction data is available ABC. I might have deleted that data table. see, and you can execute entire script. Okay, so this is the script which contains every database object along with insert also. See, you can find insert queries also. Okay, I don't want all these scripts, just I want specific script. Like, go to again task and generate scripts and click on next and select a specific database object and click on these tables, and here whatever you want you can check it. So table 1, table 2, table 3 test I want. Okay, and for example views, so I want one view and I want one store procedure. I want specific function, user defined table type, data types. I want both triggers. Two triggers are there. I want one trigger. User defined table type. Okay, so if you select specific, then you can select it. See, so what we have selected, so that database objects only will be there. Okay, so this is about script generation. Okay, so here please follow this order. Order is very, very important. Otherwise, you will get exception. Okay, so first table, create table, next alter table script. Alter table means adding one column, removing one column, or changing data type of that particular column, and create triggers. So any trigger was created or any trigger has been modified, and master data, any master data inserted into some tables manually, and index script, any index are created. Okay, that script, any functions are created or altered or lost, any procedures are created or modified. Okay, and any if you have views also, you can write it views. Okay, views, it will come before procedures. Okay, so why? Because I will tell one example. First, I will change this order. See, I will create generate the script in higher environment. Then, if any newly created function used in that procedure, then what will happen? Definitely, it will throw exception. That means function does not exist. Okay, so first of all, create that function like that. Okay, such kind of error you will get. Okay, so that's why order is mandatory. Okay, and here see here, see, for every database object, it is going to search whether that particular object exists or not. Okay, so this option is available in generating script. I mean, you can observe this generate script. See, check for object existence. If you make it as true, then it will generate if exist condition, so that see, if this object does not exist, then only it will go and create that object. Otherwise, it will not go to the if exist condition. Okay, so Such kind of facilities are available in SQL Server script generation. Okay. Okay.